Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having an awesome day today. So I am back and it feels so weird to be back in front of my tripod filming again. It's been about a month and a half since I last sat here and set up my filming setup, so I'm happy to be back. And I just wanted to check in with you guys a little bit today and catch up before I post the rest of my travel vlogs. I still have a few to go, but I'm still in the process of editing them. I didn't do the best job at keeping up with them while I was gone, but those are still coming. But today I thought I'd just let you know I'm back and catch up, and I actually have a thredUP haul for you guys today. When I got home, I had some lovely polka dotted boxes waiting for me on my doorstep, which was so exciting. And thredUP actually reached out to me and offered to send me a credit to spend in exchange for making this video for you guys, and I'm so excited to get to do that. So thank you, thredUP, for sending over that credit. And I thought what I would do is select some pieces that were really transitional pieces, kind of going from summer into fall. I live in the South in the US, and it's very hot usually in September and even into October. So I wanted to get some pieces that would give me the feeling of a fall without being too warm. So I have a little bit of a variety to show you guys today, and I think these pieces do a great job at looking a little bit more autumn appropriate but not being super warm. So I'm really excited about all of them. I've already started styling them and I think they'll fit into my wardrobe perfectly. So let me go ahead and jump in and show you guys what I got. Now really quickly, if you are not familiar with thredUP, thredUP is an online thrift store and I love thredUP. I use them all the time. If you follow my channel for a while, you know I do a lot of shopping on thredUP. That's where most of my clothes come from these days. And I think it's such a great concept. You can shop by brand or you can shop by kind of type of clothing by looking up on their website. And I like to shop by brand, and I usually look for brands like Madewell, J. Crew. Those are some of my favorites to look for on thredUP. So that's what most of the clothes that I have today to show you guys are. So let me go ahead and jump in and show you a few of the tops that I got for starters. Now, if you followed me, you're going to laugh because yes, it's a striped t-shirt, and I have way too many striped t-shirts. This one is a waffle knit, but it is, again, a striped t-shirt, but I really like the cut of this one. This is a Madewell brand t-shirt, and it's a little bit cropped and has this cute kind of rounded shirt tail hem, which I thought was really nice. I thought this would pair so well with high-waisted pants, which I wear a lot of in the fall, so I thought it was a good piece, and I really like the waffle texture of it. It fits really nicely, and I like the cut, so I'm excited to have it. I know I don't need another striped t-shirt, but here I am. Now, this next piece I think is perfect for transitioning into fall because it's actually a really soft plaid shirt, but it has these cute kind of bell sleeves and it's very loose and light. So I think it's a great one because it looks a little bit more autumnal. It feels a little bit cozy, but it's still lightweight and has this nice open neck as well. So it's not too warm, but has that fall look. I really like the gray and white plaid on this. I think it's really cute. This is another Madewell brand piece as well. And I've styled this already with jeans and flats, but I think it'll look great with boots as well and layers going into fall. So I think it's a really good versatile top. I have one more top to share with you guys. This one I think is so fun, and hopefully it shows up on my camera. It is a J. Crew brand white ruffle top, which I think is so pretty. I love kind of Victorian inspired tops with jeans in the fall, and I thought this would be a great option for that look. So I'm excited to have this one in my closet. And the cotton is really nice and crisp. It looks brand new. I would like to look for pieces that look very new when I'm shopping on thredUP, and this one definitely does. I feel a little bit like a cloud when I have it on because it is very baggy, but I think it looks really cute, and it's just a really fun piece for summer into fall, again, because it is a long sleeved cotton shirt. It feels a little bit more like I can get away with it in the fall, but it is white, so it's kind of transitional, and I think it could go with a lot of different looks. I actually picked up a pair of pants with this thredUP order, which I'm really excited about. They're super cute. They're high-waisted trousers in a light denim, and these are by the Point Sur, or Point Sur, I don't know how you would say it, J. Crew line, which I really like. And these are their wide leg crop pants, which are something that I love. I love a wide leg crop pant. These are really stretchy and light and comfortable and super cute. And I think I had mentioned a couple of months ago that a wide leg crop pair of jeans had been on my wish list, and I really like these. I'm excited to style them going into fall. I think they'll look so cute with a bunch of different tops, and especially with tucked in tops and sweaters. So I'm looking forward to styling these. This is one of my favorite cuts. I have a pair of white pants that are similar, and then also a pair of green ones, so I'm looking forward to wearing these denim ones. I got one dress with this order, which I think will be the most versatile little fall dress. This is Madewell brand, and it's knit, and it is so soft and comfortable and lovely. It's this beautiful burgundy color and then long sleeved. The knit is really nice and thick as well. It's almost like a sweatshirt type of hand, and then it has just a pleated skirt. I'll show you better in the try-on clip, which you'll see. It's about knee length, and I think this will be so cute with tights and coats in the winter time. but I could pair it with mules or something like that going into fall. So I think this will be a really versatile one that I'll wear a lot in the fall season, and I'm excited to have it in my closet. And then last up for this thredUP haul, I got a pair of shoes. And I usually have really good luck with shoes on thredUP. So if you're like me and you like a little bit nicer shoes but you don't want to spend high price tags, check them out because they do have really good quality options that are really affordable, and every shoe that I've ever bought on there has looked absolutely brand new. So I got this pair of mules, which are from Everlane. I think if I hold them over here maybe you can see them better. These are originally from Everlane and they are so cute. They're little suede mules, and I feel like this is the perfect thing to wear in the South this time of year going into fall because it almost gives you the illusion of like a pair of boots or something, but it's basically like wearing a flip-flop. It's really comfortable. So I'm excited to have these. I've worn them so much since I got them. They're really comfortable and just a lovely pair of shoes. And again, I feel like it transitions into fall really well. I've been pairing them with this dress that I have on today, and I feel like that's a great kind of fall in the South type of look because it's very warm weather appropriate but still the autumn colors. So I really like these and I'm excited to have them in my fall wardrobe. Alright guys, so that is everything that I picked up from thredUP. So thank you again to thredUP for sending over that credit for me to spend. I felt very lucky to get to do that. I will have all of the thredUP information linked down below if you would like to shop secondhand. I think that they are such a great company and I absolutely love them, and I'm so excited to get to work with them on this video today. But I'm glad to be back, guys, on YouTube. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you've been up to for the past month. It feels like I've been gone for so long. So I'm excited to be back into my normal routine. It's been a little bit of a tough adjustment for me because I was having just the time of my life traveling. I love to travel, so it's been interesting to kind of settle back in, but it's good to be back. But I think with that, I will leave it here today. If you'd like to keep up with me on Instagram, I will be back to posting over there soon, and I will have that linked down below, but my username is @JustLaurenJohnson. But thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye!
Look ahead, the sea is calm, and I know we've been through a lot, but just wait. Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind.